Hi, my name is Mukesh Kumar. I'm from UK, Leicester. It's been a while that I was taking asthma medication, like 4 to 5 months in Leicester. The treatment was going, but nothing was happening. What do you call it? It was still triggering me again and again. I did allergy reports, but nothing has happened. So my cousin told me to come to India and to see Dr. Jaykumar Mehta, who is in Epic Hospital. Um, it's it's just been about 10 days that I've come to India, and it's been very good. The medication has worked for me and I could breathe properly. I'm thankful to Dr. Jai and Epic Hospital. The staff are wonderful. They've been very good with me and everyone. I wouldn't say only me, but everyone down here. They're helpful. Thank you.